So me and my man Rich Wall, we're here, Saunders Foot. We're just going to go out mackerel fishing, aren't we, mate?
We are, dude.
Hopefully. Are we going to catch some?
Fingers crossed.
Okie dokie. See you later. Beautiful. That's good.
Shame we're not catching it.
It's nice though.
Beautiful day.
Look at that. My wonderful haul of the mackerel. Me and Rich had a great little fishing trip. Beautiful these are. These have been out to sea about 45 minutes, if you can see. One way to wreck a knife. Just have a look at these beautiful fish. You've got to love a mackerel. Look at the eyes. Absolutely perfect. So, light is fading. I want to get these sorted pretty quick. So, I'm just going to do a basic cut down the gills. It's been a while. Just slide the knife in. This is a super sharp knife along the backbone, and they come off. Absolutely perfect. That is a corker. Have a look at that. So, just in behind the gills, kind of following a little bit of the contour of the head. Get your knife in, down to the backbone. As you can see, the point sticking out there, and basically with no pressure, just tracing the backbone along. They come off like that. Now you can nip the head off this end if you want to, simple, and then repeat by just getting in there, tracing along the backbone on the other side. Fillets are perfect. I shall give these a wash. Okay, so we got our wonderful fillets. Super fresh. Just going to go down the rib cage. Just take that off, square them up, and again with the other side, trying to keep a hold on it. Bearing in mind this is wild cooking style. So that's our basic fillet. So once we got our fillet off, then we just need to take those bones out the backbone. So a little V cut, just angle that knife towards each other all the way through, and then you should be able to just peel that backbone out. Never went all the way through there. That is one beautiful mackerel fillet ready to cook, and I'm going to cook it now. This is wild cooking, out of the sea, gutted, trimmed up, ready to go, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to cook it. Okay, so the light is fading here. I'm just going to show you a neat way of cooking them. Just scoring the skin, bearing in mind these are super fresh. Been out to sea, what, about an hour now? So you could just eat them raw like sushi, but I've got a little bottle of rapeseed oil with a little bit of chili in it. Let's get that on, give it a bit of a rub down. Yeah baby. Turn it over. Now we need to get the heat element. A blow torch, move that oil out the way. So just showing it the flesh side. Get that little lovely little char on it. And then turn it over, and this is where we want to crisp the skin. Like it's just come off the barbecue, and a little bit of salt from my little jar. Light is fading, light is fading, and then we get in there and we eat it. So good. So good. And like I said, straight out the sea, you could eat this raw. This is awesome. There you have it. Blow torched mackerel. Amazing. Oh, look at it. So juicy. Have me a few more of these. So if you've enjoyed what you're seeing here today on the SRP, please click subscribe when my face comes up down here. Also, you know the drill. Check me out on my social media, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter at the Scott Reed Project. And if you feel like helping the channel along and sharing the love, check out my Patreon page. So until next time. I'm going to have one more as the light slowly fades over Pembrokeshire. That really is a great way to cook them. Take care, my friends.